Do I need a referral for physical therapy under Medicare? So according to Medicare Part B Benefit Policy Manual, a referral, also called an order or a prescription, is not required to start physical therapy. There may be state guidelines that require it, but Medicare Part B itself does not require it. It is recommended because what is required is that you be under the care of a physician or non-physician practitioner, and that provider must sign what's called a plan of care and certify that plan of care. So when you see a physical therapist without an order, a referral, a prescription, that therapist designs a program known as a plan of care. That plan of care will be sent to a physician or non-physician practitioner you're working with to be certified so that Medicare will cover those services. If the plan is not certified, Medicare will not cover, will not reimburse for those services. So guys,